Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tutor. In this video, we will discuss how to get YouTube API key. Let's dive in. Open your web browser and go to console.cloud.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Click on the project drop-down at the top and select New Project. Give your project a name, then click Create. Once your project is created, go to the left-hand menu, click APIs and Services, and then Library. In the search bar, type YouTube Data API v3 and click on it. Then click Enable. After enabling the API, go back to APIs and Services. Credentials. Click plus Create Credentials and select API Key. Your API key will now be generated and displayed on the screen. Click Restrict Key to set usage limits and prevent abuse. You can restrict it by IP address, HTTP refers, or specific APIs. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.